space exploration just got a whole lot busier. SpaceX has launched yet another groundbreaking rideshare mission, packing a staggering 140 payloads into a single rocket. This isn't your average space delivery. It's a testament to the growing accessibility of space, where satellites the size of shoeboxes, cubesats, and even smaller microsats can hitch a ride alongside larger payloads. On November 28th, the Transporter-15 mission blasted off from Vandenberg Space Force Base in California, propelled by Falcon 9 rocket. This wasn't just a launch, it was a meticulously choreographed dance. After stage separation, the rocket's first stage booster, a veteran of 30 flights, gracefully touched down on the aptly named droneship. Of course, I Still Love You in the Pacific Ocean. But here's where it gets really interesting. Among the 140 payloads were not just satellites, but also orbital transfer vehicles, essentially space taxis, carrying 13 additional payloads for deployment at a later time. This adds a layer of complexity and flexibility to space missions, allowing for more precise satellite positioning. All these payloads were destined for a sun-synchronous orbit, a special path that allows satellites to constantly observe the Earth's surface under consistent lighting conditions, crucial for applications like weather monitoring and environmental research. With this launch, SpaceX's rideshare program has now delivered over 1,400 payloads to orbit. That's a staggering number, highlighting the company's role in democratizing space access. And this is the part most people miss. Rideshare missions like Transporter-15 are not just about launching satellites. They're about fostering innovation. By making space more accessible, SpaceX is empowering universities, startups, and research institutions to conduct experiments, test new technologies, and contribute to our understanding of the universe. What do you think? Is SpaceX's rideshare program a game changer for space exploration? Does the increasing number of satellites in orbit raise concerns about space debris? Let's discuss in the comments.